Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Imovie and tapping New Project, then pick Magic Movie so Imovie analyzes your footage automatically. Import your clips and photos. You want clear, well-lit moments so the algorithm finds highlights. Once imported, choose a theme that matches your mood. This sets pacing and transitions. Make sure to mark Preferred Clips. That tells Magic Movie what to prioritize. After that, let Imovie generate the first draft so you can move into manual refinement. Now refine the generated edit. You'll trim and split clips to tighten the story, cutting out dead frames and keeping momentum. Reorder clips by dragging them on the timeline so the sequence tells your story clearly. This is why manual control matters after automation. Next, fix audio, duck background sound, and raise dialogue levels so voices read naturally. Once done, choose music and set it around -6 to -10 decibels so it supports rather than overwhelms the edit. To finish, apply color corrections and stabilization where needed so visuals look consistent. Preview your project at the intended resolution, then export via Share right arrow file, choosing quality and compression that match your delivery platform. Make sure metadata and titles are correct before exporting. If something goes wrong, like missing clips or odd artifacts, relink or re-import the originals, clear Imovie's cache, and restart the app. That often resolves file read or rendering hiccups quickly. Then export a final test copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.